Welcome to Yachting Hub Miami, the yacht and boat spotter channel. Well guys, I have some exciting news. As you can see, I will be attending this year's Fort Lauderdale International Boat Show. I will be flying and also bringing you all the latest yachts that I encounter on this year's show. I have all my credentials ready and I will be there before the end of October, and I will be starting to bring you all the footage that I can from all the exciting yachts and boats that I see on this year's show. Again, I want to let everybody know that this is something that is going to be happening on October 30th to November 3rd, and you're going to be amazed at all the footage that I will bring you. So if you haven't subscribed to this page, please do so, and I will see you in my next video. Take care.